Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be reviewing this Deerma DX700 handheld vacuum cleaner. Here's a look of what you find inside the Deerma DX700 handheld vacuum cleaner box. Starting from the left, we have the main vacuum head, the 800 ml dust container, filter, power cord, cord holder, extender, the three attachments which are the nozzle, the brush, and the flat press. So next we assemble. First we attach the main vacuum head to this extender, and then from the extender we attach the three attachments. The attachment you will be using depends on the area you will be cleaning. The nozzle is ideal for screens, window sills, and corners, while the brush is ideal for rugs, mats, carpets, and sofa. The flat press has a 180 degrees rotation head and is ideal for wood floors and tiles. So this is the Deerma DX700 handheld vacuum cleaner with its flat press attachment and main vacuum head. If you notice, the power button is right on top of the handle, which is a perfect location that is easily reachable by your thumb. Right below is where the dust container is located. Next we have the extender, and attached to it is the cord holder. Moving downwards, we have the flat press attached at the bottom. Both can be detached quickly by pressing the gray button. You can also change attachment units depending on your intention or areas to clean. Now I'm going to use these collected dusts and scattered soil from a pot of plant to demonstrate the suction ability and noise level of this Deerma DX700 handheld vacuum cleaner. I'll now use the nozzle. As you can see, the edge of the unit is angled. I'll power on and give you demonstration on how easily it gets the ball of hairs and mass of dirt into the edges and corners of the staircase. Next, I'll be using the brush to give you a demonstration on how easily it gets the crumbs on the couch and accumulated dusts on its inner corners. This time, I'll show you how to empty the dust container. You just press this gray button beneath to unlock and lift the container sideways to detach. Simply pull the top and empty the cap into the garbage bin or bag. As you can see, it's already quite dirty. You may clean the filter by simply dusting it using a used soft bristled toothbrush, or since it is also washable, better rinse it in warm water and let it air dry, and it will be ready for future use. To attach the dust container, start by hooking the top, then press the bottom like so. As for my insight, the Deerma DX700 handheld vacuum cleaner is light to medium weight weighs 2.2 kilograms, which makes it easy to use and maneuver. It's also easy to assemble. It has a strong suction capacity, which cleans efficiently. It has a large capacity dust container, which is convenient for daily use. It has a tolerable noise level. And most of all, its HEPA filtration system keeps your home safe and clean because it effectively eliminates 99.9% allergens. Plus, it is washable, so it is cost economical. The only downside is the instruction manual is in Chinese. If you have questions regarding this product, let us know in the comment below. This is it for this video. Hope it was informative, but before you leave guys, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. Also, please consider subscribing. We'll continue to share videos as we can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.